Hey, bitch. Nice medal.
At least I'm pretty.
Bitch please, at least I'm real.
Oh, you like to be real? Too bad about your nose then.
What do you mean? My nose is real.
It is now, but you are going to need a nose job when I am done with you.
What? What do you mean?
Geez. Ugly and stupid. Aren't you a catch?
Who are you calling ugly and stupid?
You. Stupid bitch. Try to keep up.
Yeah. Well.
Ha. Ha. Real mature.
At least I'm not so fat I look pregnant.
So what? You are the one who is more likely to get pregnant? I'm not hurting anyone by looking like this, but God knows that if you were to multiply, we would all be fucked. So how about you do us all a favor, and close your legs for once?
Bitch, I'm going to kick your ass. You want a piece of me?